Alright, now it's just taking turns of us riding around.
Yep.
Little dirt bike.
Little dirt bike.
Don't burn my damn phone.
I'm not. We're just gonna take turns. We're gonna ride this dirt bike. My little mini dirt bike. That's gonna be fun. Alright, let's go.
Alright, ready? Get set. Go! It doesn't seem that fast until you get to 4th gear. Otherwise, it's not a whole lot of fun, really. A vine trend.
What?
A vine trend. Really? A vine trend.
What?
No. You don't deserve to use a vine trend.
What?
You don't deserve to do it. You don't deserve it. Alright, this one's gonna be your turn, alright? No, last one's gonna be mine. Alright.
As you see, it's a cool little fast dirt bike. 70cc. Goes 50 miles per hour.
Alright. Alright, Robertson, right?
Yeah.
So 4th gear?
Yeah, and I put it in neutral. As you see, I was revving it.
Woo!
Bro, you cannot see it for shit. Bro, you cannot see that for shit.
Oh, I bet you can't see it, but
Bro, I just saw that video.
I know.
Maddie's sleeping.
Already? Bro, it's not even.
I just lied. I
Oh.
don't feel like going to get her.
I'm not saying.
Yeah, she's asleep. I know. I don't know why she wants to sleep so early.
Alright, here, take it. What gear's in? 4?
Now it's Eric's turn. I was first. Whoa. See how fast my little dirt bike goes? Oh. See how fast my little dirt bike goes?
Shut up and don't vote for Hillary.
Don't vote for Trump either. They both suck.
What?
Just saying. Yeah, not Trump.
Oh yeah, no Trump either.
No Trump either. Remember that. And if you're white, sorry, I feel bad for you.
What?
It's like, what? What?
Sorry.
Sorry. Here he comes, the mastermind.
I'm living pump the shit out of it. Alright, go. It's still in 4th gear, dude. You might as well take it one last spin. Look, they got new hamsters. Hamsters!